Hey everybody, my name is Jose Mateo and I'm here at InfoComm 2026 in the Zoom booth. And I want to show you some of the innovations that we're showing here inside of our Zoom room. So we've got a Zoom call going here up on the screen. And up on the screen what you're going to notice, I'm standing underneath a Shure speaker. And what you're going to notice is as I am in the call, because I have been invited to this meeting, there is a smart name tag that's under my name, and notice the green around me is actually focusing on the fact that I'm the one speaking. It notices that there are people here that are participant 3, there's a participant 4 right next to me, but it knows that I'm Jose, I'm invited, I opted in, I gave my consent to have a picture of mine out there and my voice print, so that when I go in there and the transcript comes out from this, it's Jose that's speaking, not necessarily the room. This is called Smart Name Tags for Voice, Smart Name Tags for Videos. If you want to know more about it, visit www.zoom.com.